guys, today we're going to be installing our fan upgrade kit in a Kenworth T800. In the fan upgrade kit, you're going to get your new blower fan with 300 CFM. You're going to get your new internal baffle plate, as well as the gaskets to go along with it, and a new fan cover and the hardware to install it. So let's get started.
Remove the four 10mm bolts from the heater box cover. Remove the fan cover and unplug the fan from the wiring harness. Remove the two 8mm nuts to remove the free switch. Remove the three Phillips head screws to remove the recirculation door actuator motor. Once the recirculation door actuator motor is free, remove the baffle plate and the actuator motor. Reinstall the recirculation door actuator and the free switch onto the baffle plate. Reattach the free switch and the wires that go to it. Keep in mind that there are no polarity issues along with these two wires, so they can get hooked to either spot on the free switch and you'll be just fine. Slide the baffle plate back into place. Pro tip, make sure the tabs of the baffle plate are locked in on both sides on the studs that come in from the outside. This is a extremely snug fit. Sometimes you may have to use the butt end of a hammer to tap this into place to compress the gasket to make everything align and fit in properly. Note that our fan upgrade kit accommodates a lot of different trucks, so you may have to put your own connectors on the end of these wires or build a small wiring adapter to make it work properly, because there are male spade connectors on the motor when you will receive it. So one thing, once you have this in here, you're going to take this capillary tube and you're going to put it down through this grommet. I know it's hard to see with my hand in the way, but that grommet right there. And you want to shove it down until it's all the way in, because what this does is this tells the air conditioning compressor if the evaporator coil is all froze up, which this one needs to be cleaned immensely before it goes back together completely. So we will clean that before it all completely goes back together for you. And then we're just going to take our fan motor. We're going to slide it right into the bracket here and make sure our wiring harness is tucked up out of the way here. Slide that right in like so. And we have 3 bolts that hold that in. So we're going to run this one down. Drop one in this hole, and we'll drop one in this middle hole right here, and we will just snug those all up. Socket back, and then your motor is labeled with a plus sign right here, which is your positive, which this one we have, this one is the positive, noted by the blue wire from the factory there, and then this one is your negative, which hooks right onto the back prong right here. And we'll just tuck those down in the back, and that
is the motor installed. And now I'm going to grab the new fan cover, put that on, and this project will be wrapped up. This truck had a missing riv nut on the top and a spinning riv nut here in the bottom, so we're just going to put 2 bolts in it to hold it in for now. Then right here, might have to wiggle it around just a little bit as it is an old box here, so it's kind of bent up a little bit, but it'll fit. And we're going to put that in there. We're going to put that guy in there.
Thanks for watching this install video of our upgraded fan kit. In this video, we actually ended up replacing the rest of the box as it was pretty much all rusted out as well. But we used the first portion of this video to show you how our install kit goes in. Thanks for watching. Give us a call if you have any questions. Our number's in the description below.